and welcome to Kid News. Today's headline takes us to San Francisco, where an earthquake started to shake.
This tragedy began in April 18th by a huge wave. Most people were asleep.
Here's what happened. It started to destroy buildings. People began to wake up as it crumbled its first building. It started to destroy everything. The event was likely caused by sliding plates that were very close to the city.
Now the city is completely destroyed.
This disaster most impacts buildings and people.
On average, it was a major earthquake compared to all the other earthquakes that had happened.
This one is different because it killed more than 7,000 people. In conclusion, go to San Francisco and bring food and make homes. Bye.
Bye.